Hi, everybody. Welcome to the channel. In this video series, I will show you and tell you how you can hide your photos, posts, and videos on Facebook from prying eyes. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. First, we're going to open up our Facebook app. Down here on the bottom right-hand corner, we need to select Menu. And then we go to the menu here. We go to our page. And here in the middle of the screen near Edit Profile, we click on the three dots. Then we click on the Activity Log line. And then we see your Facebook activity. We click on that. And we see that we have a list of our Facebook activity. Comments, posts, messengers, videos, and so on. You and I will select Posts. Click Manage Posts. That may take a while to load. That's okay. Here we click Filters and choose a category. We get this list of categories, from which you can choose what exactly you want to hide from users on Facebook. You and I are going to choose the second line. Our posts, photos, and videos. And now, in order to get them all to load, we have to scroll all the way to the bottom like this, until it's all loaded. When you get to the very end and it's all loaded, then you go back to the top and click All. And as you can see, all the posts are highlighted. Then at the bottom, we click on the three dots. Confirm. And this is where you and I can see the privacy level for the content that we've selected. So we can choose who can see the content that we've chosen. Or it can be seen by everyone on Facebook, or just our friends, or just us. I'm going to choose just my friends. Then we say yes, press Change. Great. Now let me show you another interesting feature on Facebook. Let's say if someone on Facebook or one of your friends tagged you in their post, but you don't want to be tagged in that post. Then also in your Facebook activity. You can find the activity section you're tagged in. It's right under the post section where we were just with you. Click here Manage Tags. And here you can see the publications where we may have been tagged or commented on with our mention. In order to remove this publication, if you don't want to be tagged, you just select either or all of them exactly the same. If you want absolutely nowhere to be tagged, or you select a particular publication. Next, you click Remove Tags. You say yes. And as you can see, the mention is gone. This is an easy way to hide mentions from you on other people's posts or hide photos, posts, and videos. Yours on Facebook from prying eyes. I hope this video was useful for you. Write your comments, put your likes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later.